You love wearing joggers and leggings all day because they're so comfortable, but at the same time, you also want to look put together and classy. Ditch the compromise between style and comfort. In this video, I'm sharing style tips and what to wear so you can transform your athleisure outfits into a much more classy, elevated, everyday look. Hello ladies and welcome to Pink April Diary Style. If you're new here, I am Suchi. Let's start with how you can use your existing athletic clothes and create really classy and put together looks that does not require much shopping. But if none of these tips work for you, which means that it's time for you to actually pick out the right styles of athleisure clothes that are going to make you look classy and elevated. Don't forget to watch the full video where I am sharing some key athleisure pieces that you might be missing in your wardrobe that can help you create really classy athleisure outfits. Athletic clothes almost always are either too body-hugging or fitted, or too baggy, and neither of these look classy and elevated. Whenever you hear fit in a classy outfit, it does not mean fitted. It means structured pieces, but in a relaxed fit that fits you well but does not hug your body too tightly. So here's a very simple rule that you can follow with your existing clothes that you have in your wardrobe to create really classy athleisure outfit. Whenever you're wearing something really fitted or body hugging, pair it with some relaxed fit, not oversized, not baggy clothes. If you're wearing leggings, which I think is one of the most popular bottoms to wear because they kind of give us that snatch bottom look, then instead of wearing something fitted up top, pick a relaxed, structured button-down shirt. Or if it's cooler outside, then you can wear a turtleneck or a crew neck sweater that is a little bit of relaxed fit. These styles of tops will actually add some structured details to your entire outfit and is going to make you look stylish and elevated. You can wear your favorite tailored pants with your casual athletic tops like sweatshirts or even sweat jackets to create really elevated, classy look. Or you can even pick leather pants to pair with these styles of athleisure tops. You can also pick tailored coats and jackets that you normally wear with your regular clothes and pair it with your athleisure clothes to create elevated, classy athleisure outfits. I think now you get the point here. The key is to pair athleisure clothes with something structured and sophisticated that you will normally wear when you are trying to look a little bit more put together. And that's how, my friend, you can really easily create a classy athleisure outfit. But if you love wearing biker shorts, then let's just keep it to the gym. I used to be that person too. I would love wearing biker shorts outside, but I learned from my mistake that it does not really look put together no matter what style of top you're pairing it with. This next tip makes any outfit look really chic and put together, but it also helps you do the same thing with your athleisure outfit. If you create a monochromatic outfit with your favorite athleisure pieces, your outfit will instantly look much more cohesive and put together. Whether you're wearing all black, all neutral, or even with colors, you will notice that your athleisure outfits look way more put together, way more cohesive and elevated. But I feel like this trick works really well when you're trying to wear loose fit athleisure clothes like joggers and sweats, which in general look a little sloppy. But when you create a monochromatic outfit wearing these styles of clothes together, you will notice that your outfit looks way more stylish and put together. This is actually a great tip for creating fall and winter athleisure outfits where you most likely will be wearing a lot of layers. Some of them are puffers and loose fit jackets as well. Now, even though you're wearing athleisure outfits, it does not mean that pairing it with your favorite running shoes is going to create a really classy athleisure outfit. Most running shoes have a lot of colors, a lot of patterns and prints in them just to make it really flashy, and that does not look at all classy. Instead, you can go for simplistic solid colored white or black sneakers, and even better if you can pick a leather sneaker that instantly looks much more expensive and is going to add a luxe touch to your outfit. You can also try some colors here with pink or blue or mauve colored, but the key here is to not add too many colors to your outfit with your sneakers. They in general look a lot flashy and not classy at all. You know, I'm a big fan of white leather sneakers. They just complement every outfit, and whether you're wearing colored athleisure outfit or you're wearing black, white leather sneakers always is going to create a really chic and classy look. Now, there are plenty of brands out there, Tory Burch, Veha, who have really good quality sneakers that you can actually walk in comfortably without any problem, and they also look really stylish. I have a whole blog post where I've rounded all of my favorite white leather sneakers. I've linked it in the description box for you. But those are not the only footwear that you can wear with your athleisure outfits to create structured and classy looks. Especially if you're going to work, I would recommend trying other pairs of footwear like loafers, ballet flats, or just regular flats, slingback pumps or slingback flats with your athleisure outfit. That is going to create a really structured and sophisticated look in general with your athleisure clothes. Accessories also play a really important part here when you're trying to create classy athleisure looks. You can add some nice gold jewelry to your athleisure outfit to instantly elevate it, or if it's cooler to weather, then you can pick a really nice cashmere scarf which is going to elevate your athleisure winter outfits. Again, the key here is to add minimal accessory that will elevate and make your outfit look put together, and not going overboard by wearing all your favorite jewelries at one time with your outfit, or wearing a really weird pattern or color combo of the scarf that you're pairing with your athleisure outfit that is just going to throw off the entire outfit. I feel like all of these is only going to cheapen your athleisure look. Now, most of us these days wear Apple Watch or some sort of smartwatch with our regular outfits as well as our athleisure outfit. An easy way to again elevate your outfit is to swap that sport band with a gold band or a leather band that is instantly going to create a really classy outfit. Now, if you don't wear watch, I highly recommend picking one. Go for a gold, black or silver, which universally looks good on all outfits. It makes you look smart and polished, and it's also going to elevate your athleisure outfits. Now, the same rule applies to handbags as well. Instead of carrying a backpack or a duffel bag with your athleisure outfit, pick a structured bag. Crossbody bags are easy choices. You can also pick a little bit bigger structured bag that is going to elevate your complete outfit, going to make you look like you have made some effort in picking out your entire look, and is going to elevate your athleisure look as well. The right athleisure clothes can give you both comfort and style, and they do not need to be body-hugging leggings or baggy joggers. Today, there are plenty of athleisure brands out there that provide comfy athleisure clothes that imbibe modern luxury. So instead of looking really sloppy in your athleisure clothes, you can actually look classy and sophisticated. My first swap from biker shorts and joggers were these wide leg stretchy pants from Loft. They're buttery soft, they're really comfortable to wear, but they also look classy and sophisticated. Athleta, Lululemon, Spanx who come with similar styles of pants that are comfortable, stretchy, but they also look great on you and will create classy outfits. You can either pick lightweight anti-wrinkle ones that you can easily wear to airports or perfect for traveling, or since it's getting warmer, you can also pick out warmer ones with these wide leg style. The same way, instead of wearing these sweatshirts or V-neck t-shirts that are usually very casual and make you feel sloppy, go for crew neck t-shirts or polo collar t-shirts that will instantly elevate and create a sophisticated athleisure outfit. These styles of tops will still be really comfortable to wear, so you can rock them in confidence with all your casual outfits. But at the same time, because of the polo collar and the stitching detail around the neck, they're going to look really sophisticated and they're going to elevate your athletic outfits. Now, when the temperature goes down, you can also pick polo collar sweaters and turtleneck sweaters, which will give you the same elevated, classy look. Now we also need to talk about jackets because they are a key element that can make or break your outfit. Sweatshirts and bomber jackets can only make your outfit look baggy and casual, and leather jackets can give you that edgy look but not classy look. So what outerwear pieces should you add here to create a classy athleisure outfit? Let's start with oversized blazers. They instantly make your outfit look way more structured because of the structured detail of the blazers, and this in turn will create a classy athleisure look. Quilted jackets are my fall favorite. You can also pick vests which don't have sleeves or full-sleeved ones as well. Now these jackets are very different than the puffer jackets. They don't have a lot of puff in them. They are lightly quilted. And if you don't have any of these and you don't want to invest in any kind of casual outerwear, I would recommend to go for belted coats, whether it is puffer style or quilted style or woolen ones. Coats in general will cover everything up pretty easily, and because of the structure detail of coats, your outfit will look much more sophisticated and classy. But at the same time, the belted details adds a little bit more put together touch to your outfit, and also adds that waist detail that is going to elevate your look. But if it is really cold and you cannot wear wool coats, then belted puffer coats are a great option as well. They also create the same structured detail with the belted detail around the waist, so your outfit is not going to look really bulky or heavy. You're instantly going to look way more put together. And because of the belted detail, your outfit will look classy as well. Now this tip is not really an outfit styling tip, but it's a grooming tip that most classy ladies use even if they're wearing casual clothes. Paying attention to hair and makeup. Again, you don't really need to go for the flashiest and the fanciest makeup out there or with the full-blown bouncy curls. You just need to make sure that your hair is properly combed and done. If you cannot spend time in creating a hairstyle, then make sure that you tie your hair in a low ponytail or a high ponytail that is going to look a little bit done and put together. In terms of makeup, I really don't advocate a lot of makeup. I just want you to make sure that when you look at yourself in the mirror, you know that you have gotten ready for the day and you look a little nice and done. This way, even if you're not wearing the most structured outfit in the world out there, you still look like you care about yourself and you took care of yourself. Hope you found this video helpful in elevating your athleisure outfits. If you did, don't forget to click the like button to let me know, and hit the subscribe button to get more videos from Pink April Diary style to elevate your daily looks. And don't forget to check out this next video on how to look expensive in jeans. I will see you in my next video. Bye.